I am going to show you the brand new vibe coder that was released in HighLevel. They're calling it AI Studio. Something to note that when you do start vibe coding in the AI Studio, that it's not connected to the HighLevel funnel builder. So if you build a funnel in the vibe coder, the AI Studio, just know that you're not going to be able to convert that to a funnel builder, and the editing, like much like Lovable has a visual editor, the editing is not very user friendly. So I just want to set the expectations for you right away. Definitely jump in here. And this is why I wanted to do this training with you and then play around and test it out. But there's a right and a wrong way of vibe coding. And so I've created a document that I want to share with you guys that is easy for you to fill out so you can create a really good PRD, which is the product required document. Okay. So it makes you, by answering the questions, be very thoughtful about how you're going to build this app. And the more thoughtful you are in the beginning, the less credits you're going to use and the less backtracking you're going to use to try to fix problems because you didn't really think about them before you built it. Okay. Definitely want to teach you from my own experience. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. And I want to share with you what I created for you, and then also how you can turn this on inside of your accounts. So you can see here is the Vibe Coder or AI Studio inside of our HighLevel accounts. As you can see, very much like Lovable. You'll also see right away we're experiencing high traffic on AI Studio. So some features may be slower. You guys, HighLevel, if you've been checking out the community, it's blowing up about the AI Studio. Everybody's showing all the things that they can create. Now, before I jump in here and show you the templates and all of that, I want to show you how to turn this on. So if you go first, to access it, you want to go to the AI Studio tab, and it's actually going to open a brand new tab. Now, to turn this on, you need to, inside of your sub accounts, go to where it says Labs in the settings, and you will see AI Studio. Now, this is in Labs right now, and it will be live in everyone's account in 31 days. But as we know, when something goes to Labs, it is like a step before it goes live. So it's a way to quality control new features. And if you guys see any issues with this whatsoever, or any lab feature, the best place to submit issues is here by clicking on the item, and screenshots, videos, things like that. That really helps the team to understand what's happening. I know from developing my own software that it is nearly impossible for you to think of every scenario, or even in your testing process to go through every single scenario that could happen. And so this point right now in this 31 days is really a crucial time for us as resellers of HighLevel to make sure that this is a quality tool and everything that it should be. Okay. So anytime you're using a lab feature, always go and submit feedback here. Now, this isn't a place that you would want to submit support tickets. This is just a one-way feedback. This is just you saying, hey, I was using this tool. This is clearly broken, or this needs to be improved. And you're going to submit that feedback. If you need support and you need a support person to reach back out to you, you definitely want to contact support in your dashboards. Okay. So that's how you want to turn on the feature. Now, you'll see inside of the AI Studio that we have some templates here, and I love these templates. I actually was playing around with this and tested out a few. But if you want to create a landing page, a dashboard, e-commerce, portfolio, blog, there's even a fitness tracker, social media feed, restaurant, to-do task manager, weather app, all these really cool things. Now, I just right out of the box tested out the social feed, so you guys don't really have to. And if I open this up, you'll see I literally gave it no prompt. I just clicked on the template, and this is what it generated for me. Now, obviously, this isn't done, but you can see what it looks like here. It's essentially like a Facebook that you can white label. Okay. You have your notification section, your profile, and all that. Now, this definitely needs to be built out, but you can see already this prototype that we've created. We can already visualize what this is going to look like and then build on that. Okay. Now, if I go back here into my templates, or I'm sorry, into my projects here, that was the social feed. Now, here is the task manager. So you can see, again, this is right out of the box. This is the template. I did not do any editing to this whatsoever. So you can go into the Vibe Coder and you can now, or AI Studio, and you can just click on that template and it will generate this. Okay. Of course, there's work you need to do to make it customized and all of that. Now, if you go into your community and you go into today's post, you'll see this document here. This document is what's going to help you generate this PRD. Okay. So I'm going to open up this document and you can see the Vibe Coding Planner, the step-by-step guide to building with HighLevel AI Studio. Okay, I created this specifically for you guys. So what you want to do is you want to go through this form here, and you can see it's just a few pages, but this helps you be very thoughtful about the process of building your app or your website. Now, first, we need to answer the question, what are we building? So are you creating a landing page, a full website, a booking page, a form, or something else? So common options would be landing page, booking page, lead capture form, simple website, sales page, and so on. Type this answer here. This is an editable form so that you can generate all of your answers here. And then we're going to use this to create a prompt. Okay. So who is this for? Describe your ideal customer or target audience in 1 or 2 sentences. Be specific, like female coaches age 30 to 50 who want more clients. You guys can get all that info from your brand guide. What is the goal? So pick one thing you want visitors to do when they land on this page. What should it say? Give a rough idea of your main headline and what you want the button to say. Also, your button or call to action text. What should it look like? So you need to give it a visual style and your brand colors that you want to use. Again, this can all be found on your brand guide. The inspiration URL. So if there is something that you want it to look like, you can actually paste that in there, and then it knows to build it based on that style and design. What sections do you need? So you want to check every section that you want on your page, the hero section, about me, services, testimonials, pricing, and so on. You can also add additional sections here if you need those. And then do you need a form or a calendar? So the AI Studio can build the layout for forms and booking calendars, select what applies. So you're just going to choose which one that you need here and specified fields you need on your form. It says here, after the AI Studio builds your form, connect it to your HighLevel CRM so the leads flow in automatically. So that is another indicator. It lets you know that this is not automatically connected to HighLevel. This is something that's technically like a standalone tool, even though it's not. It's only a standalone tool right now because it's just being released. They definitely are going to build all of these things in to make it a seamless integration. And actually, the AI Studio is going to be the main place that you build everything. You're just going to come in there and say, build this, and it's going to do that. So you have your template here. So build a something, the goal is to get visitors to, and so on. Okay, so the final prompt here, and of course you can look at your final prompt. So basically what you're going to do is just copy this and you're going to fill in the data based off of the answers that you answered here in these questions. So this is going to be build A, and then whatever answer 1, this is answer 2, this is answer 3, and so on. Okay. Now, the refinements and requests, so AI Studio rarely nails it 100% of the time on the first try. I would say never, and that's regardless of any type of coding tools. Use these follow-up prompts to refine your build. So you're literally just going to copy and paste this here. Change the headline to be more catchy and benefit focused. Make colors match my brand and insert your hex codes. Add an additional section below the features section. Make the call to action bigger and change it to orange, and so on. You have your own custom tweaks that you can add here as well. Now, once you have generated all of this, you're going to paste that into your prompt here. Okay. Now, when you paste that in there, and I'm not going to do this live with you guys because it's kind of slow right now, and there's really nothing to show you. You literally paste it in here, and then it does its work, and then it builds it all for you, and then you get to see what it came out with. What if you could be a fly on the wall 4 days a week as a six-figure agency owner coaches other high-level users live? What if you could see the real world strategies, the live troubleshooting, and the aha moments as they happen? No theory, no fluff, just real coaching with real business owners working on real problems. That's exactly what I want to invite you to do. My name's Bridget Bartlett, and I want to give you free access to watch my live coaching sessions inside my private community. 4 days a week, you can look over my shoulder as I help entrepreneurs just like you build and scale their businesses on HighLevel. And to make sure you can apply what you learn, I'm also giving you a free account for my Vision Blueprint software. You can use it to create a professional brand guide for your business, the same foundational document that my paying clients use. It'll help you map out your value ladder, define your brand voice, and finally get clear on your business model. This is your chance to get the strategy and watch the implementation for free. Now, click the link below to get your free Vision Blueprint account and your front row seat to live coaching. All you need is your own HighLevel account to put it all in practice.